day 94 of 120 days profitability challenge. Today the task is very simple. I'm going to set up a demo trading account that I'll be using to test all the things that I've learned so far on the market to see how they are going to play out in a live market, actually, not the hindsight. Okay, so I'm going to see the movement of price, then I pick trades and see if it will go into profit or not. Yes, of course, this is just the technical aspect of it. The psychological aspect, I have to train my mind, and it doesn't require the use of the demo accounts like that. It actually requires, let's say, the real money to train yourself psychologically. Yeah, so let's jump quickly into it and set up the demo account, then we see what we're going to do, right?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.
Alright, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. If you are new to this channel, my name is Godsway and I'm on a journey to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. So if you'd like to follow me on this journey, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's see how we are going to climax this journey on the 120th day. I hope to see you in the next video. Bless up.